and Assalamualaikum. My name is Anisha Fika binti Jamil. My metric number is 262695. I would like to explain about Protect and Gamble. So I will introduce the Protect and Gamble background. So Protect and Gamble was formed by William Protect and James Gamble in 1837. The location was in Cincinnati, Ohio, United States. P&G was the maker of household production in US. The most famous product for P&G was the Febreze. Febreze was the famous product for home cleaning around the world. And P&G market has reached 300 brands in more than 160 countries.
To my friend for explain about introduction part. Okay, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Zaidi, metric number 263661. Now I will explain about consumer of learning. Consumer of learning is a process that evolve and change as consumer acquire knowledge for experience and for experience, observation and interaction with other. Consumer of learning consists of 4 elements, which is motive, cues, response and reinforcement. Okay, at the first, P&G does not use the 4 elements of consumer learning. So they make improvement by using the 4 elements, which is they make observation before they launch the product. They also make interview towards their targeted customer. In this case, they interview women and analyze the behavior according to the element of learning.
Thank you to my friend. My name is Nur Shamilia binti Saidin, 248393. I will continue about the presentation. P&G made assumption about the Febreze product that Febreze was not selling for people who live in bad smell such as a smoker and a pet odor do not notice their product. But after they use element of response, this problem could be fixed when they found that a woman had walked into a dirty room and then she had cleaned the room. So means that the Febreze can be used to throw out the bad smell. Next, for the situation when a woman has sprayed in a clean room and smell it, she feel good about the work she does well. In this element, they use element of motive because P&G used in initiative to add a touch of perfume to their product to attract a lot of consumer to use their product for daily cleaning. I finished my presentation and next I will pass to the presenter to present about the observational learning. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syamira Arisa binti Halim, nombor metric 261526. Okay, there are 3 types of behavioral learning. There is classical conditioning, instrumental conditioning and behavioral learning. The type of behavioral learning used in this case is observational learning. Observational learning occurs when pupils observe and later imitate observed behaviors. To learn from the behavior of other pupils, we must first pay attention to them and notice how they do things. So in this case, P&G research observed that women cleaning rooms and making beds spray Febreze at the end. For no apparent reason, since the room already clean. They also interview women and analyze the observed behavior according to the element of learning. Customer satisfaction also can be achieved because the customer is happy with a product or service. It is important to make sure their product consistent in the market.
My name is Amira Nasuha binti Ismail, 262973. Okay, I will tell about reinforcement. There is 2 types of reinforcement, which is positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is receiving a reward for acting in a certain way, giving something to the subject when they perform the desired action, so they execute the action with the reward and do it more often. For example of P&G Febreze is she sprays Febreze in the clean room and smell it. She feels good about the job that she done, and spraying Febreze at the end can get reward her for her work and she will use it in the future. Okay, next, negative reinforcement. Negative reinforcement is a response or a behavior is strengthened by stopping, removing, or avoiding a negative outcome or aversive a stimulus. For example, PNG Fabris. Negative reinforcement was not selling because people who live with a bad smells, such as smoke or pets, do not notice them. This shows that Fabris just targeting certain customer that they don't target to sell the Fabris to people that they think don't like the good smells.
My name is Siti Fatimah binti Daud, matric number 262952. The conclusion is PNG always produce product that customer need and user friendly as a demand from the customer. PNG also use 4 elements of consumer learning, that is motivate, choose, respond and reinforcement to attract customer to buy their product and make their product more recognizable. Observational learning are important because PNG can know what their customer need, what their customer like and don't like, and make their customer more satisfied. For instrumental conditioning, that is reinforcement. There has 2 reinforcement, that is positive and negative reinforcement. For the positive reinforcement is customer will feel rewarded after use the product, such as if customer use a Fabris in their room and they feel the good smell, it is rewarded for them.